All of these fiber molecules, fiber is what we call prebiotics. Prebiotics means that they feed the good bacteria in your gut. So, do you want good, absorbable, highly digestible forms of fiber? Yes, you do. A lot of people ask me what my favorite protein powder to go to when somebody is having gut issues or GI issues. If they can't eat anything, I can't tolerate a lot of food, what should I actually take? What's your favorite protein powder? Is for someone who can't eat anything, who's in the middle of a flare with ulcerative colitis, Crohn's, or they're bleeding from their gut. I absolutely GI Restore would be my go-to product. And there's literally a multiple 100 reasons why. One reason is number one is it's pea protein, which is a vegetarian source of protein, not whey-based. It's really important not to do a whey-based protein when you're dealing with any sort of gut inflammation. Number two is that there's also bamboo fiber in it, which is really highly digestible, absorbable form of fiber as well. So when you think about the different sources of fiber in here, that comes from the bamboo fiber, it comes from flaxseed, all of these fiber molecules, fiber is what we call prebiotics. Prebiotics means that they feed the good bacteria in your gut. So do you want good, absorbable, highly digestible forms of fiber? Yes, you do, and fiber source that doesn't cause any sort of GI upset. So there are multiple sources of highly absorbable fiber in here. That's really great. It's a prebiotic, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut to grow. That's what we want when we're dealing with inflammation that's going on with your gut. That's also what we want when we're trying to kill an infection in your gut. That's also what we want when you can't absorb anything and you can't eat anything. So there's nothing wrong with any of the fiber sources in here. In fact, it's the best. The other thing that we want to think about is also that there is a sweetening source. How do we sweeten this product? Is with monk fruit extract. So monk fruit extract is natural. It's not some synthetic lab-made molecule and has a very low glycemic index, so it doesn't spike your blood sugar. Spiking your blood sugar will cause you to feed bad bugs, which is why it's really important to look at how the protein powder is sweetened. And finally, you want to also look at branched chain amino acids. Branched chain amino acid profile in here is really incredible, which means that these are really absorbable forms of protein molecules. Just straight protein molecules are highly absorbable into your body. So anybody with absorption issues, this is going to be it. How would I recommend you use this product? I definitely recommend that you use this product as a meal substitute. So you can mix it with some water, or you can even mix it with any sort of non-dairy milk that you can tolerate. If you want more fat in it, you can even mix some coconut cream in it or avocado in it or our Pro MCT8 in there. So that's optional ways, different ways to use it, and also spruce it up to increase the nutrient or fat density in it. So that's multiple ways that you can do it. The other thing that you can do is that GI Restore is really great as a carrier product for other products. So if you're getting gut soothe and you want to put in a smoothie, put it in this. If you want to add extra collagen in it, can you get a scoop of our Pro Collagen and put it right in there? Yes. Can you use it to put even some of our probiotic capsules in there and open it up and put it in there? If you have a kid who can't swallow a capsule, use this as a protein powder and mix those other capsules in there. Yes, you can. So that's the other thing you can do, is you can mix a multiple of other products in it as well.